Okay, so I've got an issue with my rear brake. Whenever I squeeze my lever to brake, we got some fluid leaking out here, right in the crack. Yep. There it is. What we probably got here is an O-ring that is broken. So what we'll do is that we will open up this brake caliper. What I should have done first here is to remove this sprint here so you can get the brake pads out. So we're gonna do that now. You have a little twist on the back here. You just straighten it out, and you just pull it out. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the brake pads out. Remove the final screw and it's open. We can see that this O-ring right here is a bit trashed. So we'll just start out by getting a somewhat accurate measurement of the O-ring right here. 7 millimeters. This one could work, we shall see. Get the old O-ring out here. Boom, baby. Let's see if this one will fit. Well, this one might work. It's just a little bit big. Boom. I think we got it. I see no sign of oil. Let's try it one more time. 3, 2, 1, blast off. We should be good to go.